The big IPO story of the day. Indigo's 3,200 crore rupee IPO has taken off on the Lal Street. The biggest debut in 3 years is seeing some reaction among institutional investors specifically. The QIB portion has been subscribed nearly 3 times as of now. Farah Bukwala Vora has been doing all the number crunching of that. Farah, how has the response been so far? I believe 80% is how much it's been subscribed so far.
Well, that's right. So on day one, it has gotten off in the Indigo IPO has gotten off to a pretty decent start, I would say, with the issue getting subscribed 80%, as you also pointed out. Now, of course, the highlight of the day one Indigo IPO action has been the qualified institutional buyer quota, which was oversubscribed within 1 hour of trading. And today, at the end of the day, qualified institutional buyers have the quota has been oversubscribed 2.79 times. So out of the total number of shares offered, which were 85 lakh, the total number of shares that have been bid for have been 2.37 crore. So that's 2.79 times. Non-institutional investors and retail investors, however, has been a tepid story so far. Out of the total number of shares that have been offered, that is 58 lakh shares that have been offered, only 40,980 shares have been subscribed. So that means that the category has been subscribed only 0.01 times. Retail investors also, like I pointed out, a similar story. Out of the total number of shares offered, which stands at 1.35 crore, only 4 lakh shares have been bid for. So that means that the category has been subscribed only 0.03 times. So all in all, it's a pretty decent start. Of course, we all do know that retail investors will take some time and more action is likely to be seen on the second or the third day. But a pretty decent start, given that Indigo, of course, has got strong fundamentals, and that is something that investors will definitely fall for. With that, it's back to you.
Absolutely. Given its size, Farah, that's a huge upside and definitely a decent start. Typically, as far as retail investors are concerned, retail investors step in by the second or third day. So let's watch out for that. And Farah will keep getting you all the details through that important IPO. But on